This knife defense has the attacker come down overhead with the blade stabbing towards our neck or face area. We'll step our left foot out to about 10 or 11 o'clock. Bring both arms up. When you bring both hands up, you're trying to catch or assist the striking arm away from you and toward his body. So in slow motion, we'll come up and over. I'm not too concerned about where I'm hitting. I'm not trying to catch him right away. I'll use my arm as a bigger surface area to block. Once I have contact, I'll then come down, catching the hand, and guide his knife into the leg or even into the inside of the body. Whether it's strike him or not, that's not my concern. My left side comes up to around here. If he's wearing a jacket or a collar, I'll grab onto that. This hand stays here. There are two takedown options for you from here. Your front leg is the closest one. You can keep the hand here, keep shoulder there, kick this leg, strike down, hit, then get out. Or another option you have is from here. Once you're here, keep the weapon in, come through, guide the leg that way, strike. Now the entire time as I'm going down, I want to keep this hand pressed here so there's less play in that weapon. When he's down, I'll get out of the way. Only take the weapon if you have the opportunity to, otherwise just get out from that close distance.